Hi, welcome to our presentation. We're group 6, and this is our data. So we started with the data. We noticed that 7 students in the class have an IEP, and that students with IEPs were scoring significantly below their classmates. We made quite a few charts about that. So the big question was why? We came up with all these reasons why. We had a pretty in-depth conversation that week and came up with our exploratory question of, are students with IEPs and teachers utilizing accommodations appropriately to meet learning targets? So not just are accommodations being given, but are teachers actually teaching them how to use them? So our SMART goal: by the end of the term, assessment scores and log sheets will reflect the proper implementation of IEP accommodations, as shown by a 5% increase in stated learning objectives. So, meaning that at the end of the term, we should see test scores going up by at least 5%. And we assumed that would be an average. Good news is it worked. So here is our data. The first assessment, the second assessment, and the change. All the changes are green because they were all positive. So not only did all of the test scores go up by at least 5%, which was our SMART goal, they went up by at least 28%, which is the lowest percentage of change. So all in all, I would say if this were actually taking place, that our implementation strategies did work. We exceeded our goal. Also, the test scores were better in line with the class as a whole. So only student 21 did not have a combined passing grade due to his or her test score. It was a 55. The project score had to be a passing grade of 80. So the next round of data would be looking at that student and seeing what we can do to help them. Student 24 showed the highest increase in score, jumping from 8% to 78. So that would also be worth looking at. What did we do that worked so that it can continue? And all students showed greater than 25% increase. Again, our goal was 5%. We are group 6. Here is the roles that we played, and our meeting was on 4/10 at 2 p.m. on Google Hangouts. Thank you so much.